I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Uncanny Automator. Give here the Uncanny Automator webhook URL. To proceed, please navigate to the dashboard of Uncanny Automator. Add New. Choose Recipe Type. Now choose the trigger webhooks. Receive data from a webhook. To fetch the data, please copy the webhook URL and click Get Sample. Then paste the webhook URL on the integration site. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload Application/JSON. Here are some advanced features of conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Uncanny Automator site. You can see that the data has been fetched successfully. Use these fields. Save it. Add an action. You can select the action you want to take. I have chosen MailerLite. Add a subscriber to a group. Now map the respective fields. Save it. Active the recipe. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to MailerLite dashboard. After successfully sending the data via Uncanny Automator, you can see it in MailerLite. Thanks for watching.